Hello everyone, my name's Clint,
And I'm Tabitha.
and we are at the fabulous and brand new Secret St. Lucia Resort and Spa. In this video, we're going to give you a full walkthrough of this fantastic property.
So join us as we go see what all Secret St. Lucia has to offer.
Follow along. This is the front entrance to Secret St. Lucia Resort and Spa. Just as you enter, you will see the check-in area on the right, and then just past the check-in area, you will find one of the prime gathering spaces for the resort. This is the Rendezvous Lobby Bar. It's open from 10 a.m. till midnight each night, and just across from it, you will find a jewelry store that is scheduled to open in the summer of 2026.
Just outside the lobby, you have a conference center for gatherings, the Coco Cafe for coffee drinks, and then down the path we have the Portofino restaurant. Portofino is Italian cuisine, open 6 to 10.
Directly across from Portofino, you'll find the Essentials store for anything you forgot to pack. And then right across from the Essentials store is the Speakeasy, which is open Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday nights beginning at 10. And to get in, you just press this little button.
Across from Portofino, you have the theater, where the nightly shows range anywhere from Caribbean fusion to country music and line dancing. You'll also find the Sugar Reef Bar located in this area.
Just outside the theater, you have the two primary pools on the property, one of which has the Manatee Swim-Up Bar. Chairs here are first come, first served, but cabana rentals are an extra charge.
Entering the beach area now, on the right you have the Barracuda Beach Bar with beach service starting at 10 each day. This grill is set up on the beach each day, serving hamburgers, hot dogs, and basic lunch necessities if you don't want to leave the beach.
The chair game is a thing here at Secret St. Lucia. There are plenty of chairs that are first come, first serve, but some have padding and some don't. The ones that you see here do not have padding, and they typically are the last ones to go.
In this shot, you'll see the preferred club section of the beach and also the preferred club pool up on the hill.
To the far left side of the beach is Morgan's Pier. This is a French Caribbean fusion restaurant and is the only overwater restaurant on the island. It's open from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. each night. Right behind Morgan's Pier is the Water Sports Hut. This is the place where you can get kayaks, paddle boards, and hobby cats. These non-motorized activities are all included. We're now walking back to the main pool deck to show you some of the other restaurants. Speaking of the pool, the music at the pool ranged from quiet to, maybe a little loud. The Sunday we were there, they had a DJ, but most days it was a very quiet pool.
Tucked between Emerald Hills and the Sapphire Sea, Morgan Bay is one of St. Lucia's most enchanting coastal gems. Over time, Morgan Bay has transformed from untouched shoreline to a sought-after escape, now home to elegant resorts like Secret St. Lucia.
This is La Petite. This restaurant is open from 7 a.m. to 1 a.m., serves crepes, tapas, and overnight snack food. Right beside this restaurant is the Market Cafe. This is the buffet restaurant for breakfast and lunch.
Next we have Seaside Grill, which is the steakhouse on property. It's actually the back entrance to the Market Cafe. The same seating is used at night. Across directly on the beach, we have Oceana, the seafood restaurant. It serves an a la carte breakfast for preferred club guests, followed by lunch and afternoon dining, and ends with dinner. Here you can choose fresh seafood options by the beach in an elegant and romantic seaside setting.
We're now walking up the hill to the preferred club area of the property. In this area, you will find 4 buildings that are reserved for preferred club guests. There is also a dedicated pool, pool bar, and sun deck. The views from this area are truly spectacular.
There tends to be a lot of talk on the social media pages about whether the Preferred Club is worth it at this resort. Many people say that the Preferred Club is not worth it here. In my online research regarding the Preferred Club, the things I read were that the Preferred Pool is very small, does not have a swim-up bar, the Preferred Lounge is very small with limited snacks, general non-use of the butler. We also heard complaints of the pool area being very quiet. Upon assessing these things ourselves, we determined that the bars and pools were very adequate for our needs, and the quiet relaxation is exactly what we would be looking for. We would probably opt in to the Preferred Club upon a return trip.
Just up from the Preferred Pool area, there is a walkway that leads behind the Preferred Club buildings. Once you make your way to the end of this pathway, you'll turn right, and right as you make that turn, you will see a sign for the Preferred Club Lounge. This spot has an outdoor seating area. It has a dedicated check-in, a dedicated bar. There's also a seating area that has a TV and snacks available throughout the day. Like Tabitha said, some guests feel these amenities aren't worth it, but after our time spent there, we think they are. This property was originally opened in the early 80s as St. James Morgan Bay. Secrets bought the property, and it was originally scheduled to open as Secret St. Lucia in 2023, but the renovations were so extensive that opening was delayed until June of 2025.
Secret St. Lucia features 355 modern guest suites furnished with a private balcony. Swim-out suites are available in every building. There are 9 restaurants, 7 bars, and 24-hour room service is available to all guests.
We've now made our way to the other side of the resort. This is the part of the property where you will find the tennis courts, the pickleball courts, the gym, the bridal room, the spa. There's also another very special place that we'll show you here shortly. The fitness center on this property is very minimal. They do have 2 Pelotons, but if you're looking for a lot of machines or a lot of free weights, you're not going to find it here. You can certainly get a workout in, but don't expect anything over the top.
The Secret Spa offers a hydrotherapy circuit with hot tub, sauna, and steam room, a full-service salon, and indoor or outdoor single or couples massages.
We're now going to speed up the footage a little bit to take you to a very Instagrammable spot that we discovered during our stay. We hope you like it as much as we do.
After this tour of Secret St. Lucia Resort and Spa, do you think that you would stay at Secrets? Comment below and let us know.
Thank you very much for watching this walkthrough of Secret St. Lucia Resort and Spa. Please be sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and we'll get back to you.
Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time we're out of office.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.